Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to keep your valuables looking pristine, the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner? This is a compact yet powerful cleaning device designed to tackle dirt and grime on various items, from jewelry to eyeglasses. With a 20 ounces stainless steel tank, it's built to last and offers professional quality cleaning right in the comfort of your home. Now, let's explore some of the key features that set this ultrasonic cleaner apart. First up is its impressive ultrasonic technology. It generates millions of microscopic bubbles using 42,000 Hz ultrasonic waves. This means it reaches deep into the crevices and cavities of your valuables, ensuring a thorough clean that traditional cleaning methods simply can't match. Another standout feature is the 5 cleaning modes available on the digital display. This allows you to select from quick to deep cleaning cycles, depending on the level of grime you're dealing with. Whether you're in a hurry or have a more challenging cleaning job, there's a suitable option for you. The large stainless steel tank not only offers generous capacity but is also anti-corrosion and scratch-resistant. This ensures that your cleaner remains in top condition while providing the durability you need for regular use. Plus, it comes with a handy basket for safe and easy handling of your items during the cleaning process. So, who is this ultrasonic cleaner suitable for? The Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their valuables in tip-top shape. If you own jewelry, this cleaner is a must-have in your home. It can handle everything from silver necklaces and gold rings to delicate watches. But it doesn't stop there. This device is also ideal for those who wear glasses or retainers. Regular cleaning can help maintain clarity and hygiene, giving you peace of mind. Additionally, dental professionals will find it useful for cleaning instruments, while automotive enthusiasts can use it for small parts and tools. Even collectors of coins or antiques can benefit from this cleaner's ability to restore shine without damaging surfaces. Now, let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine you're getting ready for a special occasion, and you want your favorite necklace to sparkle. Just fill the tank with tap water, choose the appropriate cleaning mode, and let the ultrasonic waves do the work. In just a few minutes, you'll have a stunningly clean piece of jewelry that looks like new. Or perhaps you've noticed your eyeglasses are looking a bit cloudy. Instead of using a cloth that might scratch the lenses, simply pop them into the cleaner. You'll be amazed at how quickly and effectively it removes smudges and dirt. For those who wear retainers or dentures, this cleaner provides an easy way to maintain cleanliness. Regular use can help prevent the buildup of bacteria, ensuring that your dental appliances are both safe and hygienic. In conclusion, the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner is a versatile and powerful tool that can help you keep your valuables looking their best. With its advanced ultrasonic technology, multiple cleaning modes, and durable design, it's suitable for both home and commercial use. Whether you're a jewelry lover, a glasses wearer, or someone who needs to clean small parts, this cleaner could be a valuable addition to your routine.